Alright, today I have another USB-C docking station. This one is a 16-in-1 docking station from the brand NewQ. If you are subscribed to this channel, if you have watched my other videos, you may have already watched that I have done another review video of another product from this brand, and I actually have this habit. Like if I buy something from one brand, then I will try to find or search for another product from the same brand, whether they have anything better or whether they have any other options or not. So yeah, I have also done some research about this brand NewQ, and I have noticed that they have this 16-in-1 USB-C docking station. So yeah, I went ahead. I have bought one for myself. I have been using this one for almost 1 month now, and yeah, as usual, I say that I'm super satisfied, that's why I'm doing this video. This is not like that. This is a bit different. Okay, this one has made me feel like this is the end of my search for a better USB-C docking station, because at this moment, I feel like this one is the best USB-C docking station that money can buy. Let's start from unboxing, but before that, as usual, if you end up liking this video, then please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Okay, this is from the brand NewQ. This is 16-in-1 USB-C docking station. Connect everything imaginable. I would say connect everything that is connectable or something like that. Anyway, I always have liked the packaging of NewQ, and this one is no different than those packaging. Very cool, nice packaging, and they have even written what's inside the box. Yeah, there is a docking station, 150-watt power adapter, 150-watt power adapter, and a user manual. They have also written must do. The display link driver must be installed to ensure that the display function can be used correctly. They have also printed the guide on the box, like how to install. Cool. There are some specifications and connectivity compliance written on the box, like category, downstream data transfer, downstream power delivery, display audio. There is a USB-C port to USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 port. Remember this is 3.2 Gen 2. That's cool. There is a USB-C 3.2 Gen 2. There are two USB-A 2.0 ports, 1 gigabit Ethernet port, SD card slot, TF card slot. There are two ports for downstream power delivery. One of those is USB-C, another is USB-A. The USB-C one supports power delivery 3.0, and the USB-A one supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. For display output, there are two HDMI 2.0 ports, HDMI 2.0, and there is a DisplayPort 1.2. For audio output, there are two 3.5mm audio jacks, and here it comes, what I like so much. One of these ports are actually in front and another is at the rear panel. So I can use the one whichever I prefer and which one is more convenient for me to use. But there is a thing I must mention, we can only use one of these two ports at the same time. At the bottom of the box, it's written clearly full functional, triple display, ultra fast data transfer, and many other things. Well, without wasting any more time, let's unbox this NewQ 16-in-1 USB-C docking station. After opening the top lid, there is an envelope, and inside the envelope, I think there is a user manual. This one is like a booklet, and everything is actually written clearly. Everything is written with details. So yeah, there is no way that you will do anything wrong. They have also written clearly what type of ports you can use for what type of display output. They have written separately for Windows and macOS. Underneath that, this is our NewQ 16-in-1 USB-C docking station. Let's put this one aside. Let's see what things we have got inside the box. Underneath the docking station, here comes our 150-watt adapter. This one is a massive adapter, and they have also provided an extension cable. What I like most about this adapter is this adapter was actually manufactured by a very famous brand, HuntKey. NewQ didn't cut the cost by using cheap adapters, and that's what I like about this brand. Well, this one is a very good quality adapter. This adapter comes with all the safety measurements like overcurrent, overcharge, over discharge. All the safety measurements are there. That's why I like this brand, and thanks to NewQ for providing such a good quality adapter. Well, here is our NewQ docking station. The build quality is really nice. The frame is actually built with aluminum. This frame also works as a heatsink, so this NewQ 16-in-1 docking station never gets heated and there is no thermal throttling. Look at these. This really looks amazing. And another thing I like, I always talk about this in all of my docking station or USB hub review videos, that a brand should understand and know which ports should be placed at the rear panel and which ports should be placed in the front panel. Like in the front panel, there are 2 USB ports for power delivery. There are 3 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports. There is a SD card slot, a TF card slot, and a 3.5mm port. At the rear panel, there are 2 HDMI ports, 1 display port, and 2 USB-A, USB 2.0 ports, a Gigabit Ethernet port, a 3.5mm port, and a DC in port. Also, you may have already noticed that this one comes with a cable. Yeah, this cable actually connects the dock with your laptop. And yeah, this cable is a very good quality one, premium quality one. I really like the build quality, and definitely I will give 10 out of 10 for outlook and appearance and 10 out of 10 for build quality. I really like this design language because I can put this one on my desk, and this one gets a perfect blend with my all other Mac accessories like my MacBook Pro M1 Max, my iPad Pro M2. So yeah, this one really looks gorgeous. Also at the bottom there is a very good silicone rubber pad, and that gives it a very good grip. Well, there is another thing I must mention. Look at this. This one comes with a power on off button. Cool. They have placed a sticker on this NewQ 16-in-1 docking station. There is a warning that we should download the DisplayLink driver, and it's really very easy to remove this sticker. Look at this. Even after removing the sticker, there is no residue left. Truly premium quality stuff. Now it's time to connect this with my MacBook Pro M1 Max, and then let's check the data transfer rate, let's check the display ports and everything. But before that, I need to mention 2 things about the display ports. Well, the first thing is, as this one comes with a built-in USB-C port, some people may ask like or think like whether we can use this one with a laptop which only has USB-A port. Yeah, we can use this one with a USB-A to USB-C dongle, and then it will be usable. But this one will fail to deliver power to the laptop, and also we won't be able to get the full display output. Like this one comes with 3 display ports, but if you connect this one with a laptop which only comes with USB-A port, we cannot get all the 3 display outputs at the same time. Another thing is, when we use this one with MacBook Pro M1 Max or MacBook Air M2, yeah, we definitely can use this one in duplicate mode or mirror mode, and we will be able to get 4K 60Hz output. Some people may also think about whether we can use this one with iPad Pro M2 or iPad Pro M1. Yeah, definitely we can use this one with iPad Pro M2 and iPad Pro M1, but yeah, one more time, functionality will be a bit different. Well, I may have forgotten to mention that this NewQ 16-in-1 docking station can deliver up to 96 watt power output to any laptop. My MacBook Pro M1 Max supports up to 100 watt power delivery. So here you can see this NewQ 16-in-1 docking station is providing very fast and very stable power delivery. Kudos to NewQ. Well, at the beginning, let me demonstrate that we can use this NewQ docking station with different monitors, with multiple monitors at the same time in different modes. And then we will come back and check the speed of these USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports. There are 2 USB-A and a USB-C port. We will check all of those, don't worry. Well, to use this NewQ triple display docking station, we need a software from Synopsys, that's DisplayLink. First, we need to open the URL displaylink.com. On DisplayLink site, scroll down and select macOS. Once a new URL is opened, scroll down and select DisplayLink Manager Graphics Connectivity Software. Click on the download button, accept the pop-up license agreement. Click allow to download from displaylink.com. It's going to get downloaded right into your downloads folder. After downloading and installing, this is the most important part of using DisplayLink. macOS detects DisplayLink as a screen recording application, and it says, would you like to record this screen? Because it's going to display the screens over the software and over the USB connection. So we need to grant that access to the DisplayLink Manager in Security and Privacy Preferences located in System Preferences. We also need to select the option Launch Automatically after login right from the DisplayLink icon on the status bar. That's all, we are ready to use our NewQ triple display docking station.
They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to...
Well, as promised, I'm back with some external SSD drives. Let's check the data transfer rate. First, let's check the USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 port, and then we will check USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 port. 908 megabyte per second write, 867.2 megabyte per second read. That's the fastest speed what my external SSD drive can deliver. So here comes a thumbs up. Now let's check the USB-C port. 941.3 megabyte per second write, 867.3 megabyte per second read. Yeah, that's also what my external SSD drive can deliver. So yeah, this one is performing without any issues. This one is a flawless USB-C docking station. As you know that we do a lot of video editing and there are a lot of cameras here, number 1, number 2, there is another over here, number 3. So there are a lot of SD cards, and to transfer all these data from the SD card to my MacBook Pro M1 Max or to my Mac Studio, we need a very good SD card reader. So I've been using the SD card slot of this NewQ docking station without any issue. Let me show you the data transfer rate of this SD card reader. Well, here you can see 64.5 megabyte per second write and 86.1 megabyte per second read. That's the best what my SD card can provide. I have never seen such a great performance, read-write speed, while I have used the same SD card with many other SD card readers. Another thumbs up for NewQ. I think you already know that we do a lot of smartphone review videos, and as a tech reviewer we have a lot of different smartphones. We always need the best power delivery. Here you can see this NewQ 16-in-1 USB-C docking station supports a lot of different protocols, power delivery protocols, and always offers the fastest charging speed. This one can offer up to 18 watt, and this one always offers very stable 18 watt output. Another thumbs up for NewQ. Well, that's all about this NewQ 16-in-1 USB-C docking station. I've been using this one for almost a month now, and I'm gonna buy another for this studio. I have left a link in the description box below. If you're interested, you may check the link. And if you have any question about this NewQ 16-in-1 docking station, please make a comment and let me know. I always like to read your comments and love to reply your comments. Another thing, I'm planning to do a side-by-side comparison of this NewQ 16-in-1 docking station with some other USB-C docking stations. So if you have any other recommendation that you should try this one side-by-side with this brand, that brand, let me know in the comment section below. I think there is no other product which can offer this type of performance within its price segment. Only $169 US. Well, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.